When you focus on the feeling, the energy, and the excitement of what you want to create before it even shows up, you are actually setting the stage for it to come to you. This is where real manifestation begins. Let's break it down with an example. Imagine you are working on improving your financial situation. If all you do is focus on the current challenges, the bills, the expenses, the limitations, it is easy to feel stuck, right? That's the current situation. But if you shift your focus to the feeling of financial ease and abundance, even before any big changes show up, you start to change your mindset and energy. You are creating a space for financial opportunities to start appearing. That is exactly what I experienced when I shifted my focus from the struggle in front of me to the potential of what I could achieve. Now, this doesn't mean ignoring what's in front of you or pretending everything is perfect. Like I mentioned in one of the episodes, we still have responsibilities and real life stuff to handle. But by focusing on the feeling of abundance and holding that energy steady, you start attracting things that align with it. You might begin noticing opportunities you missed before, or find yourself naturally making decisions that support your goals. Here's the challenge. It's about keeping that positive energy and focus, even when there's no immediate evidence of change. It's natural to feel discouraged when things don't shift right away, and doubt can creep in. But here's the thing. You need to stay steady. Keep returning to that feeling of the life you want to create. Think of it like building momentum over time. The energy you put in will start to compound, and eventually you will begin to notice shifts happening around you. So, how do you actually do this? First, pick one area of your life you would like to improve. Let's stick with the finances example. Instead of focusing on any current stress or limitations, close your eyes if it's safe to do so and picture what it would feel like to have financial ease. Imagine what your life would look like if money wasn't a worry. How would you feel? How would you spend your time? Next, bring small pieces of that feeling into your daily life. Maybe it's appreciating what you already have or treating yourself to something small that makes you feel abundant. These little actions help you stay connected to that feeling you are trying to cultivate. And finally, hold steady with that focus, even if things around you haven't changed yet. I remember those days when there was no immediate evidence of change, but I kept my focus steady. And eventually, things started transforming in ways I never imagined were possible. Remind yourself that just like planting a seed, it takes time. You might not see changes right away, but if you keep nurturing that feeling, eventually it will start showing up in your outer world. This shift from being overly focused on your current situation to proactively shaping the life you want can completely change your experience. If I could go from selling fabric pieces on the streets to achieving international recognition, then you can change your life too. Remember, the world you see today is the result of past thoughts and actions. To create something new, you have to start by connecting with the energy of the life you want before it actually shows up. Pat your back, you made it, and you completed today's session. If you are ready to give this a try, share your thoughts or questions in the comments. And if you are finding value in this series, do not forget to subscribe for more insights on creating the life you truly want. And yes, we are launching Foundation X and Meditation X very soon. Stay tuned for these courses because they are going to have the power to help you change your life. I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, take charge.